This is how I fooled nearly 3 million people with just one single video. This looks real, right? It's completely fake. I got this idea from the S26 Ultra, and I wanted to recreate it, but on an iPhone 11. So I got my iPhone, downloaded PushCut for the notification, and opened it. I created a notification like this and saved it. Then I went into the Shortcuts app and created a new automation. I searched for PushCut and added the Send Notification node. I selected which notification it should send and to which devices I want it sended to. After that, I saved it and opened my control center. I searched for shortcuts and added the Run Shortcut widget and selected the automation I just made. Then I pulled out my beautiful S24 Ultra and opened the camera app. After that, I started a recording of my iPhone 11 and made it run the shortcut I just made by the control center. Then I rotated it from left to right so I can recreate that privacy effect later. Then I sent the video over to my MacBook using Blip and opened DaVinci Resolve 20. Then I created a new project and imported the footage I just made. After that, I duplicated that part where the privacy display part is supposed to happen in case something goes wrong. Then I opened the part I duplicated in Fusion and tracked the screen using Planar Tracker. Then after I track the screen, I mask it out and make it darken when tilted using keyframes. I'm not gonna say every single step of how I did it, because it will be way too boring to watch. So now I only need to add a watermark with my username and post it to TikTok. Now I gotta say thank you if you watched this far, but I would also really appreciate if you would like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. They take a long time to make. If you found this video interesting, then you would also probably like the last video I made too. Check it out.